Hello there, this is Lucian Tudor for Intense Animation Academy, and I'm going to show you how to build a bottle using curves. This is not a traditional method, but it is quite an interesting one to learn. So let's get started. I'm gonna go into the side view, bring it back up nicely. I'm gonna create a CV curve tool. Okay, hold down X to get your first point. Okay, and then start building it. Okay, put one here, one here. In order to create a corner with curves, you need 3 points, so we're going to make one here, and then one here. We're going to tighten that corner up later. I'm going to bring this line up here, this line up here. We're going to have the side of the bottle, so we're going to have ourselves a slightly bigger corner. Hold on X, and here. Okay, the bottleneck. Okay, and the end of the bottle. Alrighty, I'm gonna make the bottle top. We're gonna eyeball it a little bit. Okay, bring it here. Okay, now I guess you get the idea. You need 3 points to get it going. Okay, make the interior and have it sink in a little bit to give the illusion, just in case the camera goes to that particular angle. Okay, and here. Perfect. Okay, the bottle shape looks obviously a little bit rough. We're gonna go into control vertex and bring this down, bring this whole thing down. We're gonna make this bottle a bit narrower to not appear as thick as it is. Okay, this seems okay to me for now. Maybe increase it a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna get to the cool part. We're gonna revolve object around it. Maybe this will be perfect. So I have perfect side view, and I'm gonna make revolve this way so we can create a geometric shape. So I'm gonna go into polygons, to surfaces, edit curves. We're gonna find the surfaces, revolve, go into options, revolve on Y, because we want it to revolve around this direction in the app, as you can see here. Okay, pivot object, nice. Surface degree, we use tolerance none, curve range complete, the output geometry polygons, count, we keep it 2000 to give us some nice detail, and we're gonna click revolve, bring in 5, and we got ourselves a nice handsome bottle. I'm going back into the side view, and one cool trick we can do is put it here to the side and play around the bottle shape. This will give us a ton of different shapes and lots of options, so we can create many objects. And by that I mean, if I press Ctrl D and I duplicate it and I keep it here, and now I modify it again, as you can see, I can create many different types of bottles. Let's say if I have a set where I have to build a shelf, right, and I don't want to have the same type of bottle, right, present in all of them, I can just do this to add some variety to our shot. If we go into perspective view, all these look complete. They're obviously, you can see their lattices, the way they're built. It looks very nice, very even, no problem points. Everything is in quads, so you shouldn't have any problems texturing it either. The one way to finish it, if you're done with this curve and you don't want to do any more modifications, if you delete this curve, that's one way to do it. Or you go here and you go edit, delete by type, history. Now the curve cannot affect the object anymore, and then you can delete the curve. It's the safest way to do it. So I would like to thank you very much for the time you have taken to view my lesson. This is Lucian Tudor for Intense Animation Academy signing out and reminding you to check out the rest of the videos available in our course. Thank you very much.